Hello, my furniture refinishing friends. This is Shannon with Black Sheep House. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something a lot of furniture refinishers struggle with, and that is combating the orange tones in their wood. There are a lot of things that you can do to combat the orange tones in your wood depending on how strong they are, and you may even have to do bleaching or stripping, and I have videos on both of those things. I'll make sure to link them below. But today's video, we're going to focus on the easiest way to combat orange tones and the way that I think you should try first before doing anything else, and that is a tan paint wash. This paint wash in particular is Harvest Brown. That's the color that I have found is just the easiest, most neutral looking tan, but you could use any tan you have on hand, honestly, just whatever you have, and you can mix it as strong as you want or as thin as you want. This particular mixture is 1 part paint to 12 parts water. And then I just discovered this. I was in the garage and none of my other paintbrushes were handy, and the deck staining paintbrush was right there. So I grabbed it to apply the tan paint wash, thinking to myself, why haven't I thought of this before? Because this is so smooth. It just goes on like butter, and it really just gets it in all the nooks and crannies, and you can apply so much of the paint wash and it goes so quickly. So I'm super excited about this new way of doing it, and I hope you guys will give it a try, and tag me if you do. Let me know if you try it with a deck staining brush, because whoa, it really and it makes sense, right? Because this brush was built for staining wood, and in a way that's kind of what we're doing with the paint wash.
Through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me.
A really helpful tip is to make sure to stir the paint wash as you go, because it will start to settle. The paint will start to settle at the bottom of your container, and then you'll end up with, not the right ratio. I'm so excited to announce that I have written a book with my friend Samantha Malone from Furniture Heirloom Home, and our book is going to be out September 1st. She's such an amazing talented furniture artist, but she has not shared any of her secrets up until this point. And I have some secrets that I haven't shared as well. As open as I've been on YouTube and sharing great ideas and stuff like that, I do keep a couple up my sleeve, and so I'm really excited to share this book with you guys. It'll be out on September 1st, so make sure to sign up from the link. I think you can sign up and pre-order and just be notified when it comes out. But I'm really excited. It's been a long time coming. Anyway, next up is the polyacrylic. We're going to be going in with a matte polyacrylic and this little paintbrush that I have. You could use whatever paintbrush you want, but I really like this one. It's kind of frayed at the ends and fluffy but firm, if that makes any sense. And I wish I could link it for you guys, but I actually bought it at Lidl's. Is that what it's called? That store, that grocery store. And I have never found another brush like it. I'm cherishing it, and I hope it never, I never lose it or it gets broken or anything. But when it gets worn out, I don't know what I'm going to do, because it's the only brush I have that is, like I said, it's fluffy at the ends, but it's firm. So it's a really amazing brush. Now, some of it's because it's a bit broken in, that it's fluffy on those edges or whatever. But let me know in the comments if you have a paintbrush that you love for applying polyacrylic, because I'd love to know. I can't recommend one to anybody in the description, and I'd love to be able to recommend one. But other than this paintbrush, you could just use a synthetic one, right? And all you need is about one coat, really. If you want to do 2 on the top, you sure could. But, I apply a pretty thick coat, and then I just stick around and make sure I don't get any drips and stuff like that. Because, the last thing you want to do is paint a dresser and walk away. You got to sit there and look at it for, get on your phone, do whatever you're going to do, hang out, clean up a little bit. Like I ever do that. Okay, I should do that. So, but stick around your dresser, because that's the drips are going to show up right then and there. Speaking of showing up, we got the doggo showing up. We got the nugget showing up.
I have to put my sneakers on tomorrow. I have gym tomorrow.
Okay. Go. Love you. All right, let's get you in the house. That's why I always say this is the best job for a mom or, a stay-at-home wife. It is such a good job, because you can just pick up where you left off. And I swear, don't come for me in the comments. I took her inside and put a helmet on her. She likes to skate around inside the house on the hardwood floors. So, and here we go with some black hardware. This is like a bronzy black hardware. And it was already on the piece when I bought it. I got so lucky. It had already been updated. The finish just hadn't. And if you're curious how to strip the finish, the old finish off, I have videos on that. So make sure and check it out. And then here was the before. And here's the after. How pretty is that? It is so pretty. I'll be able to sell this for a lot in my area. The raw wood look is very in demand. And guys, make sure and check out that link. My book coming out September 1st. I'm so excited. And I know you guys are going to just get so much value out of that book. It's amazing. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.